Hello everyone, how are you, brother? I hope you are doing well. So, chicks have arrived in my poultry farm from Jadid Hatchery. Jadid Group is a vital group in poultry industry in Pakistan. So, chicks are received in crates or boxes. Each box contains 100 chicks. So shed is ready. Let I will discuss about the chick care and chick management on day first. But first, I introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ghulam Mustafa, and I am animal nutritionist. So this is my beautiful houses, and you see on the screen chicks will be received. Chicks have received in a vehicle, and let I will discuss what I have to show you in my videos. Firstly, I will tell you about the broiler chicks arrival, how we arrive chicks, how we receive chicks on day first, and what should be the care for these chicks on day one. I think this video is for my beginners, for new farmers who work on independently in poultry farms. So I will tell you how to receive and manage broiler chickens on day first. First, you can see vehicle arrived and about one shed having capacity of 9,000 birds. So 90 crates, one crates having 100 chicks in box or crates. And then I will tell you what to do on day first after broiler chicks arrival. I will tell you about poultry farming tips or day one broiler chicks care setup, feeding guidelines, everything I will discuss today. So you can see how I spread feeder and drinking lines. You can see on my video on the screen everywhere chick plates or baby feeder I spread in the poultry farm. Chicks are arrived and the workers put these trays or boxes in having little cute chicks in the crates. So first I count these 90 crates in each shed or chicken farm. So separately I will check these boxes, number of birds, and then counting the chicks which I have in crates or boxes. You can see on the screen workers do well in proper manner. These crates are introduced in poultry shed or chicken farm. The temperature of my shed already set up to 33 degrees centigrade. So the requirement of temperature at day first is 33 degrees centigrade. You can see on the screen or in video. Inshallah, I will tell you about everything which I have received the chicks. So about 90 boxes or 90 crates we have check and count. You can see the freshness and the quality of broiler chicks. So gently after receiving, gently open the delivery box because chicks are traveling for about 500 kilometers away. So you can gently open the delivery box, count chicks, and inspect for any dead or weak ones. Sometimes many chicks are died due to traveling or any other stresses. So you can see how we spread these chicks on the ground. So ground is covered with rice husk. So immediately place them in preheated brooder, because this is summer, so I don't need any brooder, because already 33 degrees centigrade is managed by natural heat. So we did not need any preheated brooder, but in winter we need brooder. So we offer them sugar glucose water to prevent stress. First water is we offer sugar glucose water to prevent from the stress. The second step, which I also tell you about, the temperature of the shed should be 32 degrees centigrade to 33 degrees centigrade. First, you check how bird responds in 32 or 33 degrees centigrade. Then manage your temperature of the flock should given. Then I also share with you that we used rice husk in poultry farm or chicken farm. Minimum 0.25 square feet or zero point 0.5 square feet is space given to these cute chicks. These are 0.25 square foot to 0.5 square feet. Good airflow should be maintained, but no direct wind, because our chicks is very small and they do not tolerate these direct wind. So good airflow must be given. Lighting program is very important for first week of the chicks. We should go for 24 hours light duration for first few days. I think we go with for first week we offer 24 hours. So I will discuss about the third step, which is very important for feeding and watering. I start with these chicks offer drinking water with glucose plus electrolytes. Because I offer these electrolytes or glucose, because chicks are traveling from a few kilometers or few distance, so we use proper glucose and electrolyte water. The first water of glucose and electrolyte, then we offer our chicks pre-starter feed as soon as possible. You can see in my second shed, as I also I discuss with you. First feed is pre-starter or chick mash. Then feeders and drinkers should be clean, reachable, and placed in a circle, that every one chick, every chick should go for feed and drinking water. So my fourth step and very accurate and very important step is to monitor healthy chicks. Watch for sleepy or weak chicks. You should remove these weak or sleepy chicks to observe if any obstruction or any stress to these chicks. Sprinkle little feed on paper for quick learning. You can use baby feeder, baby plates, open plates, which I mentioned, which I shown you on my video. You can spread everywhere, every feeder and plates in whole the broiler chicken farm. So all the birds, all the chickens easily reachable. So this is a beautiful setup and this is a beautiful poultry farm. So today I will discuss how to chicks care, how to chicks arrival, how to chicks receive, how to chicks feed on day one, and how to maintain your poultry farm temperature. You can see on my screen that little chicks are spread on the floor having rice husk. This is a dry rice husk. So you maintain cleaning dry husk and clean feeding and clean water to the broiler chicks on day first. So these are good things and these are good tactics you have to adopt for your healthy chickens, and you can get more and high profit. So you can see on my screen how I spread these beautiful cute chickens. Alhamdulillah, they are very active and good chicks. The average weight of these chicks I attain on my farm is 42 grams. This is Ross 308 breed, mashallah, and chicks are very beautiful, cute, and very active and healthy, alhamdulillah. So by doing this you can get good chicks, health wise very good chicks, mashallah. If you have any question regarding poultry business, poultry farming, poultry feed manufacturing, poultry management, you can ask me freely. Thank you for your viewing my videos. For more information, for more videos, you can like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you to all of you brothers. So we receive 18,000 chicks on day first, 19,000 in each farm. I have 2 poultry chicken farm. Each capacity is about 9,000 poultry chicks. So in start we will give 0.25 square foot to 0.5 square feet per chick area or space. So I hope you will be doing well. Please remember me in your prayers. If you have any question, please comment in comment section. I hope everyone like my videos. Thank you to all of you brother.